Welcome back to the channel, Jaden Chase. Now if you're new, remember to like, to share, and also to subscribe. Now law enforcement is seemingly confirming that DNA results on the autopsy and the bodies recovered in Rockford are indeed that of Paulwell's baby mother and his young daughter. And of course, we have to say condolences to her family. Now, it is also a little speculation. Did Paulwell know? Miss Bradshaw was right there in his home. Did he not notice any nervousness? And Bradshaw's own mother has stepped forward to expose Phillip Paulwell. Even though with law enforcement statements being that Bradshaw will be charged and the hitmen will be charged, no charges will be brought against Paulwell, rather. I'm going to hear what going to continue the reasoning. Look and listen.
As the JCF continues the investigation into the disappearance of Tashina Patterson and her 10-month-old child, Saraya Paulwell, from their homes at 3 Gilmore Drive, Kingston 20, on Saturday, September 9, 2023, I wish to inform the public that we are now satisfied by the overwhelming evidence secured that both Tashina Patterson and her 10-month-old baby, Saraya, were brutally murdered and their bodies burned and disposed of. It is one of the most painful investigations for the team since recent times. However, the team of investigators continue to be professional and remain focused. Charges in relation to the investigations have been preferred as follows. Leoda Vanessa Bradshaw, 34 years old, petty officer in the U.S. Navy. She was charged with 2 counts of conspiracy to murder, 2 counts of conspiracy to kidnapping, 2 counts of kidnapping, 2 counts of murder. Roland Lloyd Balfour, 30 years old, assistant graphic designer of 67 Commission Road, Kingston 2. He was charged with 2 counts of conspiracy to murder, 2 counts of conspiracy to kidnapping, misprision of felon. Roshane Miller, 29 years old, AC technician of 1B Camperdown Road, Kingston 16. He was charged with 2 counts of conspiracy to murder, 2 counts of conspiracy to kidnapping, and misprision of felon. Richard Brown, OC Ritchie, OC Gerla, 31 years old, graphic designer of 2 Campden Road, Kingston 16. He was charged with 2 counts of conspiracy to murder, 2 counts of conspiracy to kidnapping, and 2 counts of kidnapping. The DPP has obtained a voluntary bail, and the case will be taken directly to the Supreme Court. The investigation continues. I will not go into more specifics regarding the investigation, but as I said, this is one of the most painful experience for the investigators, and I want to commend the investigators who are directed from CIB headquarters by Superintendent Champagny and the team, as well as those from St. Andrew Central, which is headed by DSP Price.
I wanted to expose this man. You see what me know, so the man is wicked. When I called, she called me before the lawyer pick her up, and she said, "Mommy, please answer the phone." Me not answer the phone because work me there. Me never did know so Leoda call me because the phone is on silent. Right? So in the morning me get up and me call her, she not answer. So me text Paulwell and me say, "Where is Leoda?" And he says, Miss so-and-so. Everything on my phone because I can't afford everything to you. After 9 o'clock, the lawyer come and pick her up because there's a suspect. Somebody suspect for about what? And he said, "I don't know what Leoda have to think me and her involved. I'm not involved with Leoda." So then I started to tell him what Leoda tell me. He said, Can I call you back? Is he coming downstairs? Please, whatever you know, you can let me know. You can't tell me. Me say you say Leoda not there. So you Leoda that in your yard and not in your house. You tell Leoda say you're afraid for what I want. So please stay with her. Leoda, me tell Leoda go to the embassy. Go let the embassy know what is going on, and then after that, call your job. you leave down here. You leave and come down here. Come to Jamaica. Me da a foreign me there. You come to Jamaica, nobody knew where you was. Can you tell me, sir, you carry your computer to work from the Paulwell house. So all of a sudden, then him go tell her, his sister goes on the phone like 24 hours. You see, when they can't find the girl, Leoda said, Mommy, I didn't do anything. I'm making a date for me and the girl to meet up because they want the girl to do the DNA. They hear me? And
Yes.
so she said she not end up find the girl. She not end up because it was in the afternoon she met the date. So me don't know how in 8 o'clock in the morning girl got missing after 9 o'clock because she not see the girl. She said she in the room one evening and she hear Sunday evening. She said, Mommy, something is happening where if I can take care of Isabella, me says, me a 54-year-old, we can't take care of nobody. She says she hear one of the Paulwell people then come on the phone, come in the room and say, you're going to stand the lose. You remember, so I'm not going to get no more favors from you. So somebody have to take the blame for it. I swear to Almighty God, Leoda called me and I cry. But my girlfriend, a live a man that called me 2 weeks before it happened. I said, Carlene, Leoda in a trouble, you know. And Miss Alini, Leoda in a trouble. She says she got to her bed and she wake up and see Leoda in a prison and she sees the woman in her pitney dead. That's before the girl missed, you know. That's before Leoda go meet up with girl are supposed to go meet with girl. You hear me?
I'm hearing you. I don't know. Don't know if you are talking from, and I'm just being a journalist right now.
Yeah, go ahead.
I'm not picking sides, and she's innocent until
proven guilty.
However, when the deputy commissioner come out and say they have evidence against her, I cannot sit here and say I don't think that she knows about the death of a baby
and the mother.
And the mother. I am not going to be hypocritical and say that. I just know that I don't think that she's alone in it because she would be the coldest woman I've ever met on this.
Me tell us, I would be somebody I don't know. Cause when I heard it, I said, Leoda have that heart. But you see, as I said, the Sunday when I text Paulwell about 15 messages, I can send it to you. She said, Mommy, Paulwell don't sit in the room with me. All of a sudden, Paulwell start get scared. The sister said, Leoda, me say not go home. She says, no. Paulwell tell her to stay with him. Some say stay with him. So, if he stay in a film job came to Parliament, number one, the lawyer asks her, oh, Paulwell gonna put up on the 500,000 to find the baby mother / his baby. You hear me? And he never owned that child.
Are you hearing me properly? Because people telling me, but people are here. All right, fine. Okay, it's not covered, guys. All right, continue. Sorry.
I'm hearing you. So,
all right, as long as you're hearing me.
Yeah. So, the Sunday when I said to her, I said, Leoda, go on some fasting. Go on, you need to stop, come off of the phone.
Why didn't she leave Jamaica? Why didn't she?
Paulwell and Paulwell's sister, the senator, I don't know she. Tell Leoda that Paulwell need her if him can keep the company to everything. So me says, so Paulwell is a baby, you leave your baby with your baby classmate. Mother and you there for keep Paulwell company and embassy tell you to go and embassy tell you that if there's anything they leave all the information. She said when she bought the ticket because she called me on my phone. Shirley, everything I'm tell you I'm gonna give you a receipt for it and say to me, Mommy, can you lend me $350? So Mr. Leoda, without work, because I live in what me do. Mr. Leoda, I can give you the $350, but I have to go take a lift. She said to me, I said I can give her the credit card to use. She says I will call you back. She texts me back and tell me said she got through. I'll be leaving tomorrow. Me said okay. She said when she put on our clothes to go, When they come down the hill, Paulwell said to her, say, I get a phone call that fits the commissioner.
Talk to me in the comment section. Tell me what you think. If you're new to the channel and just a pass through, well, click the subscribe icon, then the bell icon, and of course, put it on all. And this is how you know will be notified of all fresh content as soon as fresh content is uploaded and made available for you right here on the platform. The like icon is also in close proximity to the share icon. Drop a like and bust a share. Tell a friend, tell them sister and them brother them for check out the channel, check out the reason, and also join the discussion. The comment section up 24/7, it never lack it. Just be respectful and mindful of the guidelines. But other than that, drop your thoughts, your comments, and yes, your opinions there, and we can continue the reasoning via the comment section. Now until the reason again, my sentiments for you and yours is, of course, for to live, love, and prosper, and for to stay tuned.